Headlights. Are both of your headlights working? Is one working? If one is working, then it's usually a bulb problem. So you'll need to replace the bulb on the headlight that's not working. If both headlights are not working at both low and high beam, it's most likely a relay problem. So if both of your headlights aren't working, let me show you how to check the relay. Here again, under your left dash here, you've got two relay connections. One is for the high beam, one is for the low beam. Again, I've said it before, I'll say it again. If you go over a large bump in this thing, it can have a loose connection. Let me show you how to take those connections off and put them back on. Okay, now I'll let you get into position. So these are the two relays, left and right. Now sometimes if you just even push that up and push that up, your lights might come on. Let's try though, taking it off. See, like that, and then just put it back on both sides. That second one is probably a bit too tight for me to take off. I don't feel completely comfortable doing that. If you don't feel comfortable at any time, please don't do this. Just get to the next mechanic and they'll fix that. Of course, we also don't recommend to ride at night. So hopefully you don't need those headlights and you're not driving at night, or if you are, just around to local restaurants or something. See you at the next one.